Today we are going to discuss new topic calendar. Calendar, first of all, we know that there are 7 days in a week. Calendar, we know that there are 7 days in a week. A week start with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, and 7 days. Total days in a week 7. First question is how many days in a week? Total 7 days in a week. Right? Second, the same day not repeated in a week. Same day. It means Monday not repeated, Tuesday not repeated, Wednesday not repeat, Thursday not repeat, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It means a single day in a week. Okay? You know very well. Monday only one day. Monday 1, Tuesday 1, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday और Sunday. कोई भी डे रिपीट नहीं होगा, रिपीट होगा नेक्स्ट वीक. द सेम प्रोसीजर, सेम सर्कल. अगेन मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे. ओके, वीक इज कंप्लीट. Write down. First question, how many days in a week? The 7 days in a week. With the explanation, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Second month of the year. Month of the year. Seven days in a week. Month. ये days. Month. In a year. Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, अगस्त के आफ्टर अगस्त दिस साइड. September, October, November and December. लीजिए जी, months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Count. January, first month of a year. Second month of a year. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11 and 12. right? The calendar of a months in a year. The calendar of a months in a year. First of all, January. Second, February. Third, March. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Right? How many months in a year? How many months in a year? 12 total. 12 months. 12 months in a year. Write down. My dear students, today we are discuss days, months, leap year, ordinary years, etc. Remember this point. And next period, first of all, we discuss to you. Okay. Next topic, ordinary and leap years. Right? I think सभी ने काम कर लिया होगा मन 12 month in a year. Next topic, leap year and ordinary year. First, leap year. Leap year, the year other than a century divisible by 4 as well as century divisible by 400 is called a leap year. In a short way, which year divisible by 4? Example, leap year divided by 4. स्टार्टिंग से देखते हैं, मैंने शॉर्ट है 1800 की जगह 2000. Very easy, so much easy, divisible by 4. Next, divisible by 4. Next, 4. Okay, divisible by 4 we call leap years. For example, 2004 से चेक कर सकते हैं आप, 4 से डिवाइड तो 4 5 जो 20, 400 400. It is possible. Divisible by 4, divisible by 4, 4 and 4. जो ईयर 4 की टेबल से डिवाइड होता है उसे लीप ईयर कहते हैं, राइट? और जो लीप ईयर होता है उसमें फरवरी के मंथ में 29 डेज होते हैं. इट इज रिमेंबर पॉइंट मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट. लीप ईयर्स which year divisible by 4 we call leap year. For example, 2000, 2004 is all the leap year. That's why divisible by 4. Okay. And second point, the first point, most important second point, February, month of February, days 29 days. और नॉर्मल डेज 28 डेज। लीप ईयर में फेब में 29 डेज होते हैं और टोटल ईयर में कितने होते हैं? देयर आर 366 days in a leap year. Most important points. Leap year, first of all, how can identify leap year? Point number 1, जो year, which year divisible by 4 we call leap year. Point number 2, how many days in February? The February month have days 29. There are 29 days in a February month. February के मंथ में 29 days होते हैं, that's why लीप ईयर होता है। थर्ड पॉइंट नंबर 3, टोटल डेज ईयर में कितने होते हैं लीप ईयर में? देयर आर 366 डेज इन अ लीप ईयर। देखिए, कॉमनली जो नॉर्मल ईयर्स होते हैं जो 4 की टेबल्स पे डिवाइड नहीं होते वो लीप ईयर नहीं होते, और उनमें जो ईयर के जो डेज होते हैं 365 डेज होते हैं नॉर्मल डेज। जो लीप ईयर नहीं होते उनमें भी होते हैं 365 डेज। 1 2 3 and 4. Most important thing, first of all, division by 4 called is leap year. February month there are 29 days in a leap year, 29 days in a month of February. That's why the leap year, in a leap year. Point number 3, there are 366 days in a leap year. Very most important, right? और नॉर्मल डेज, जो नॉर्मल ईयर्स होते हैं, नॉर्मल ईयर्स 365 डेज होते हैं। ओके, यदि ये आपको आते हैं तो आपको कैलेंडर में कभी प्रॉब्लम होगी ही नहीं, राइट? चलिए, राइट डाउन। Yes, page the blackboard and next topic is why. Yes, next topic, ordinary year. Ordinary year, I am saying a normal days. Ordinary year. Ordinary year, the year which is not a leap year. The year, ordinary year, the year is not a leap year, is called ordinary year. Right? For example, ordinary year, the normal years means which year not divisible by 4. Suppose that 2001, 2000 2002, 2003, etc. The year is not divisible by 4. It means not a leap year. We can say it's ordinary year. How many days in ordinary year? How many days? How many days in ordinary year? 365 days. Okay. How many days in ordinary year? 365 days. And month of February, how many days in a month of Feb? February month, 28 days. Okay. Ordinary year and leap year different are both. That's why ordinary year 365 days, leap year 366 days. February month days 28 days and leap year 29 days. But not confused. Okay, it is remember point. Ordinary days and leap year. Ordinary year and leap year. Right? Chलिए next topic is century. Century. Write down. Yes. The next topic is century. Century, the similar name of our school, the century school and the century. Century meaning in years. The year divisible by 100. The year divisible by 100 is called century. Century is the same name of our school, but the century meaning in a mathematics, the year divisible by 100 is called century. Right? For example, $1800, $1900, $2000, etc. Okay, it is a century, 18th century. We speak in 18th century, 19th century, 20th century, etc. 21st century, 22nd century. A century means divide by 100, divisible by 100. Okay. Next, calendar page on the page of 272. Calendar. Become calendar. Our topic name calendar and running topic name also calendar. Calendar. Calendar means calendar is the record of all the dates and days of a year. Calendar is the record of all dates and days of a year. Yes. Calendar. Our topic is calendar. Calendar is the record, which record of all dates and days of a year. साल, जो साल ईयर होता है, ईयर के अंदर जितनी डेट्स आएंगी, ईयर में जितनी डेट्स होंगी अकॉर्डिंग टू मंथ, डेट्स का एंड डेज का। ओके, डेट्स का एंड डेट का जो भी रिकॉर्ड होगा वो कैलेंडर कहलाता है, इसे हम कैलेंडर कहते हैं। राइट, कैलेंडर। देखिए मैं शो कर रहा हूं, आपको ये देखना है। कैलेंडर ऑफ 17 लिखा है बेटा, जनवरी। आई थिंक, आई होप सी क्लियरली। जनवरी, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे। संडे, संडे रेड से मार्क्स हैं, इट मींस संडे इज अ हॉलीडे। संडे, डेट, वन डेट, जनवरी। इन अ मंथ ऑफ जनवरी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। अब आप इससे डेट का, डेज का बहुत अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंडिंग कर सकते हो। संडे, जनवरी के मंथ में कितने संडे होंगे, हाउ मेनी संडे ऑफ द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी इन ईयर 2017। क्लियर? 2017 में संडे हैं 5 संडे, राइट? 5 मंडे, 5 ट्यूसडे, बट वेडनेसडे 4 थर्सडे, 4 फ्राइडे, 4 सैटरडे। ओके, अब आपसे इसमें डेट का और डेज का बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो। वी एक्सप्लेन so much easily according to dates and days with years, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Complete the year 2017. Total month of 12, total days is 7, with record, with counting, with explanation. अब डे काउंट करोगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और 7 days in a week. We discussed already 7 days in a week, or month 12 month in a year 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 months in a year. 17 not divisible by 4. It means the February month had 28 days. Check it. January, February. Total days 28 without sin. Okay. 2017 के ईयर में फेब में 28 डेज होंगे। ओके, यस। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 68, सम नंबर फर्स्ट। हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर? How many days are there in a leap year? Self practice. How many days are there in a ordinary year? Self practice. Which of the following are leap year? Very good. Leap year. Select the given leap year. Divisible by 4. Self practice. Name of the month having 30 days. Self practice 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Today, homework of a mathematics in exercise 68, sum first to 11. right? Kiran ma'am, Kiran ma'am,